Mercedes-Benz GL350 with the speed sensor, got error, so ABS doesn't work, ESP error, and here is, this is the speed sensor right there. I already removed the holding up to it. Now gotta pull it up, pry it out, and replace it. So seems like easy, but it's like quite tight to get it out. This is what it is having problem. So check engine and everything comes on. So I'm gonna replace both sides and and then reset it. Then we can see how it's gonna be. Alright, let's not be lazy. Finally, I ended up taking off the wheel. So now I got room. Okay, this is the sensor that is the problem causing the whole, it's causing the whole car to have all kind of error messages, check engine lights and everything comes on. So yeah, here we go. Try it out. Yeah. Here, this is my gun. I use it for cleaning the gun barrel. So hopefully it helped a little bit. And I'm allergic to WD-40, so I cannot use WD-40. This one. And this one I gotta take off from here, and one by one, slowly go. That's one thing about Mercedes when you drive. They have everything properly done, nicely set up. So I feel a lot better than driving a Toyota. People talk about, I was like, dude, you buy a car, I don't think about reselling value or whatever you sell it. If you think about it, you got the value when you sell it, alright, better not drive. If you use it, with the price will depreciate. Is the new one, so push all the way in. These you can lift it up. This one you can slide up everything, and this one pull out. Here, the connector just go right there. Alright, and then go back in. No more lazy bones, better take off the wheel. I just had I had major accident in November. I almost died, and I got both of my leg fracture. My right left wrist was having fracture, so I cannot do much. So everything I have to rely on somebody else. Used to be, now trying to do it, even though I'm limited. My hands I cannot use like before after the injury. So everything I do is kind of slow. It's 10 millimeter. Yeah. Careful, this is plastic. There we go. And there's two more you gotta take off. At the bottom, take it off, and then it'll come out. You know, don't have to remove everything, but better if you want to do it easy. So what do we got here is, this is the clip that we gotta take it out. So just pry it out. Oh, here we go. It comes out. Once the clip is out, you can pull this out. So they put together. So here we go. Now what I have to do is I have to put them in. So these two, you plug them in. That's it. Nothing much.